In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pivot data from rows to columns using Tableau Prep Builder. This is a fundamental skill in data manipulation that allows you to transform your data structure for better insights and reporting. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Tableau Prep Builder app on your computer. Once you've got that open, the next step is to connect to your data source. This means you should load the data set you plan to work with into Tableau Prep so we can begin the preparation process. After you've connected to your data source, you need to add your table to the flow pane. This step is crucial as it essentially contextualizes your data within the workspace, enabling you to carry out transformations like pivoting. Now look at the flow pane and locate the input step for your table. Nearby you'll see a plus icon. Click on that icon. A context menu will pop up, so go ahead and select Add Pivot from this menu to start setting up the transformation. In the Pivoted Fields pane, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Rows to Columns. This configuration tells Tableau Prep how you'd like to rearrange your data, turning your row-based information into column-based insights. With the setup in place, it's time to choose which fields from your data you'd like to pivot. Head over to the left pane where your fields are displayed, select the ones you want, and then drag them into the section labeled Field that will pivot rows to columns. The values from these selected fields will now serve as your new column headers. This is a key part of the pivot operation as it dictates how different segments of your data will be reorganized. The next step is to focus on the data that will populate these new columns. Choose the field you wish to aggregate and drag it into the Field to Aggregate for New Columns section. This action takes the original data points from your rows and arranges them into your new column format. With these steps completed, you should see your newly structured columns in the Pivot Results pane. Take a moment to review these results carefully. This is the time to make any necessary cleaning or formatting adjustments to ensure your data is neat and meaningful. Finally, once you've confirmed that everything looks good, apply the changes to your flow. You'll find an Apply button that allows you to lock in these transformations, creating a seamless pivot from rows to columns. And there you have it. You've successfully pivoted your data in Tableau Prep Builder. This powerful transformation can significantly enhance how you analyze and present your data. Thanks for watching, and happy data prepping.